Hey guys, what's up? So, I haven't been uploading a lot. It's kind of hard to say, but I just haven't been uploading because I just forgot I'm on my YouTube channel, but I'm back. So yeah, but in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make your own YouTube thumbnail for ChromeBook. Yeah, and I've done another one on like Fire Kindle, but I'm doing more in case like one method doesn't work for you. So I'm trying to do more of something, of that kind of stuff. So yeah, but let's get into the video. So before you do anything, you're gonna have to make sure that you have Google Play installed, because if you don't, then it won't be able to work for you. So yeah, but you're gonna have to go into Google Play, go in like that. Okay, then just search. It's gonna be really quick, but YouTube thumbnail like maker or something. And it's this one right here. It's actually pretty nice. Install it. And while it's installing, you can just wait for me. So let me just alright guys, I'm back and it's installed, as you can see, the same one. So yeah, let me just put it on my tab so I can go into it easier or access it. So I did to press that, and there you go. So now we can go in it. Let me just close the tabs right here. Not that one, but go in it. And it's gonna be like this. I don't recommend pressing the full screen like that, because then you lose you will lose probably the top things. Just press allow. Yeah, you're gonna lose those up there, so just don't do that. Just there you go. So just do that, and yeah. So I'll show you how to use it right now. So what you gotta do is you can draw. You can do you can do, let me see, and there's ads, but you can just easily X out of them like that. No, I don't want that. There you go. So you can do add text. So like hi, whatever. Like you can do whatever you want. So there you go. And it's not that bad. Like for an editor. So you can do like whatever you want mostly. So yeah, and you can move it around wherever you want. And there you go. Like you can do whatever you want. Like you can do a background, icons, stuff like that. So yeah, it's not you can really do whatever you want. It's not that bad. So you can do backgrounds like these, and you can change the color if you want, or you can use like one of these. Like, as you can see, it's not that bad. Like for a little editor like this, it's not that bad, honestly. But yeah, it's basically all for this video. If this helped, make sure you drop a like and subscribe. Oh, I forgot to show you one more thing. To save it, let me just do like whatever, like a text or to save it. Go here and press download, and name it whatever you want, thumbnail, or whatever. And now you download it. Okay, let me just X out of these. You don't have to watch that, but then you should have it. Like, let me show you in your images. Here it is. The word, and I've done more like this, that one, this is the one I just did. So yeah, it's not that bad. You can probably make some cool, thumbnails on there. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. So if this helped, drop a like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Peace, guys. Peace.